My neighbor hanging out with me, and we just finished the roof boards, and I almost ran out. I mean, I was so close. I have like 2 20 inchers left, and I actually used 2 treated ones that I didn't plan on using, but didn't really need them for anything else, so I used them. There we go. Looks good, doesn't it? Do have one spot there that the birds may find and build nests in, so I may have to fix that later, but for right now I need to get this roof on. And it's solid. I suppose in this corner I could put one brace coming down to the corner, but I can do that later if I decide to. It would make it look nicer. It is pretty solid out there though. You can see a little bit of wiggle, but not much. You got the support. So there it is, tied in nice. So now it's time for the aluminum. I am going to leave these shingles on for now because I really want to get all that taken care of around there. So first we need to put this lower part on, do this corner, and then figure out what we're going to do right there. But all in all, it looks really good. I did have to rip a 2x4. I thought I ripped it wrong, but it turned out it did work. Thank goodness, because I was out of lumber. I would not have had enough to finish. We got a about a 1/2 inch overlap here. Kind of wanted like 3/4 of an inch, but it still looks good. There's a little bit of definition there, and that's what I wanted. Okay. It's really coming together. Adding a lot of character to the back end of the house with that other roof. And now this one. It's protecting the doors and the windows much more. So, very smart move. Makes it much nicer back here.